Hi friends, it's Mrs. Shea. Today we're going to decorate pots to plant some flowers in. Mrs. Shea didn't have a ceramic pot, but I did have this plastic pot that I used. And look what I did. I used my fingers to make shapes on my pot. See? That's my finger. I put my finger in red paint and then I put dot, dot, dot. Then I used some purple paint and did dot, dot. Some yellow paint. Look, and I decorated the whole pot all the way around. And then I used my fork and I made some grass all the way around too. I used my trusty paint plate, pour some paint on, and made my pot just like that. You and your mom or dad can do that together today. Once you paint your pot, mom and dad, you should, if it's clay particularly, you should spray it with some polyurethane before you put your soil in. After you finish with your polyurethane and it dries, you put your soil in and then you're going to plant some seeds. These are marigold seeds. These seeds here I planted about 3 weeks ago. See how they're coming up? When they start out, they're little tiny seeds, and I planted them in the dirt, and I watered them every day, and see how they're popping up? And that can happen for you too. Now, if you don't want to plant seeds, you can go to the nursery and get some flowers. These are marigold flowers that are already grown up. What color are they? They're yellow. That's right. Yellow and purple are our colors this month. Now, if you want to try something else and you want to do some recycling, use an old can or a coffee can. Mrs. Shea has lots of these. And I spray these with metal primer because they're metal. I take the labels off first and then just spray them. And then paint them. So this one's painted yellow, and you can do the same thing with your fingers. Make dots, put your paint on your plate. Let's try one. This is purple. Let's see, Mrs. Shea's going to make a purple flower. Squeeze some paint on there. Look, I'm going to take my finger. See, it's my pointer finger. I put it right in my paint. Oh, look what I did. And then on my pot, I'm going to do dot, 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 dot. Look, that looks kind of like a flower, doesn't it? I'm going to do some other dots all around so I have purple dots everywhere because dots are fun. I can do dot, dot, dot. That looks like an ant, doesn't it? I can do dot, dot. That looks like a little butterfly, doesn't it? So many cool things to do. Down here, and then in the middle, and up. See how many dots I did in here? Now, I did all purple dots on my yellow container, but you can do whatever color you want, okay? What should I do next? How about if I get a little bit of green? I have my green paint here. I'm going to put that on my plate. You know how I love green. What color? What is green? What do we know that's green? We see the green grass. We see the green leaves on the trees. Like Mrs. Shea has green on her fork. You know how I love to paint some grass with my green fork. And look. I made some grass with my fork. Look at that. How cool is that? I made it everywhere on my can. So nice. What do you think? I think it's looking better and better. Look at that. So cool. What do we think? I love it. I love it. Well done, friends. Good. And then, let's see what I can do next. I'm going to take a magic marker. Maybe Mama can help you with a magic marker. And let's see, where did I make a little ant? Here's a little ant. I'm going to put some antenna right here. Can you see? 1, 2, and some legs. What do you think? Does that look like an ant crawling on the grass? Yeah? And this one is my butterfly. Let's see if I can do a butterfly. See my butterfly? Yes. Can you decorate a container for Mrs. Shea and send me a picture of what you do? Let's see if I can make some flowers here. Let's see. This one looks like a flower, doesn't it? I'm going to put a circle right in the middle. And then, nice flower. Maybe I'll paint that green. What do you think? Let's see if I can find a little paintbrush. Let's see. Green leaf, and there we go. Look at that. Love it. Love it. Okay, let's see what you guys can do. Paint your can or your flower pot, and then when you put your flowers in, send me a picture, okay? I have some here, and I'm going to plant these too, and I'll send you guys pictures too, okay?